I walked through the door with you. Air was cold. Bombi, I was trying not to laugh. Sorry, that was my throat burping. That was my throat burping. I'm so sorry. Take two! Taka na nga lang. Tubig kasi. My gosh, Maury. Life. Life, yun na lang. Alright. Let's do this again. I told you guys I was gonna try to redeem myself. That was not a way to redeem thyself. One more time.